Hi kids! Today we're going to learn a short song about a little bird. Okay, I'm going to teach you the actions, I'm going to teach you the song. Can you follow me? That's great. Okay, it goes like this. Once I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. So you're going to hop 3 times. Can you do that? Let's try it together. Hop, hop, hop. Very good. And I said, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So that signal means stop. Can you do it? Stop, stop, stop. Very good. Okay, so let's try that. Once I saw a little bird, now let's hop. Go hop, hop, hop. And I said, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Very good. Okay, the next part goes, I was going through the window to say, how do you do? So you're going to say, how do you do to the bird. Can you do that? Let's try it. How do you do? Okay, but it shook its little tail, so you need to make a tail at the back like this, but it shook its little tail, and then you shake. And away it flew. Okay, so you make your bird fly away. Away it flew. Okay, let's try that now. Once I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. And I said, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going through the window to say, how do you do? But it shook its little tail and away it flew. Very good.